banana, cherry, coconut, lemon, watermelon, peach, mango, pineapple, pears, apple. Where is the banana? You are right. Where is the peach? Wrong. Where is the peach? Please try again. Where is the peach? Strawberry, orange, cantaloupe, pomelo, grapes, banana, cherry, coconut, panda, giraffe, elephant, tiger, kangaroo, lion, crocodile, camel, monkey, dolphin, cock, pig, cattle, penguin, sheep. Where is the kangaroo? Wrong. Where is the kangaroo? You are so clever. Where? Panda, giraffe, elephant, tiger, bus, helicopter, bicycle, ambulance, police car, motorcycle, truck, boat, train, airliner, fire engine, steamship, car, carriage, rocket. Where is the airliner? Wrong. Where is the airliner? You are excellent. Where is the bus, helicopter, bicycle, ambulance, police car, motorcycle, truck, boat, grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, uncle, aunt, brother, sister, police, walker, driver, teacher, student, doctor, nurse. Where is the grandmother? Wrong. Where is the grandmother? Great. Where is the teacher? Grandfather, grandmother, father, mother.
Fossils by Lean R. Meyer. Insects, feathers, shells, and fossils. I Wish I Knew by Gary Cleveland Myers. I wish I knew how to show from my
Rope by John Madian. Jump rope, spin it girl, make it twirl.
Labrador Winter by Maria John Ferrari.
Long Summer Night by Marty Christ. Fireflies, Lost Shoes by Sharon Landine. When you're searching for lost shoes,
Moonlight Laura Wincoop. Silver Drops of Moonlight, Moving Day by Faith Francis Berlin. I End Nightlight by Carly Pizakis. Moonlight Spills Across Place Sick Day by Diana Kalia. My head is hot. Something New by Ivy O. Eastwick. Swinging by Rebecca J. Gomez. When I leaned way back on the swing, how much wood, chuck, if I would chuck wood? How much wood, chuck, if I would chuck wood?
Sally found seashells by the shiny seashore so she could see the shimmering silver.
DYXWBUT, SRQ, then comes P, ONM, LJJ, IHGF, BDDBA.
The lazy grasshopper had spent the entire summer singing instead of gathering and storing food. One day, two friends, Sam and Peter, were traveling through a forest.
Once upon a time, there raged a fierce battle between the birds and the bees. At first, the bat fought.
One day, a donkey found the skin of a lion. He put it on and raged around the fort. Once there lived a lion. As strong as he was, with the might of his claws and teeth, he had one big problem. One day, the sheep complained to the shepherd.
We are constantly being shorn off our fleece, which is so...
One day, a team of thieves decided to rob a home they believed belonged to a wealthy farmer. But upon entering the...
John Gray, Daily Creed. Let me be a little kinder, Walter Scott, the pride of youth. Proud Macy is in the wood, walking so early.